Building a SaaS application from scratch in 2024. Sounds daunting, right? With so many tools, frameworks, and services out there, where do you even start? Well, if I could go back and start over, here's exactly how I'd build a SaaS application today, step by step. Buckle up, because we're diving into the nitty-gritty details of modern SaaS development. Before we jump into the code, let's set the stage with the essential building blocks, the tech stack, the architecture, and the all-important choice of tools. First things first, choosing the right tech stack. In 2024, there are more options than ever. But we're not here to get overwhelmed. We're here to make decisions. The key? Pick a stack that balances performance, developer experience, and scalability. For the front end, Next.js is the clear winner. It combines the power of React with built-in features like server-side rendering, static site generation, and API routes. It's the perfect choice for building dynamic, high-performance web apps. For the backend, I'd go with Supabase. It's an open-source Firebase alternative built on top of PostgreSQL, offering real-time capabilities, built-in authentication, and an easy-to-use API. And the best part? It integrates seamlessly with Next.js. Next up, architecture. With Next.js handling the front end, you get the flexibility to choose between static generation, server-side rendering, or a hybrid approach depending on your app's needs. On the backend, Supabase shines with its real-time database capabilities. It's like having the power of Firebase but with the robustness of PostgreSQL. The architecture is simple yet powerful. Next.js handles the client-side logic, API routes, and server-side rendering, while Supabase takes care of your back-end needs. This setup allows you to keep everything modular, scalable, and easy to manage, making it perfect for a modern SaaS application. Let's talk front-end. With Next.js, you're not just building a single-page application, you're building a versatile, full-fledged web app. Use hooks to manage state and API routes to handle server-side logic within the same codebase. For styling, Tailwind CSS is my go-to. It's utility-first, meaning you can build custom designs without ever leaving your HTML. If you prefer pre-built components, libraries like Chakra UI offer great options that are both accessible and customizable. Next.js also makes it easy to handle routing, data fetching, and SEO right out of the box. This is about building fast, efficient, and beautiful interfaces that perform well in any environment. Now, let's dive into the back end. Supabase is the star here. It offers a PostgreSQL database with real-time capabilities, built-in authentication, and storage, all managed through a simple API. You can use Supabase's RESTful API to interact with your data, or go real-time for apps that need instant updates. With Supabase, you also get PostgreSQL's power for complex queries, relationships, and more. If you want more control over your queries, you can even integrate Prisma as an ORM, giving you type safety and a more expressive query language. But for most cases, Supabase's built-in features are more than enough. Security is non-negotiable, and with Supabase, authentication is straightforward. Supabase Auth handles signups, logins, and even third-party providers like Google or GitHub. Using JWT tokens, you can easily manage user sessions and secure your API endpoints. For role-based access control, Supabase makes it easy to define roles and permissions directly within its dashboard. This approach not only saves time but also ensures that your application is using best practices for security, which is critical for any SaaS platform. Testing is where many projects fall short. Don't be that person. In 2024, a solid CI/CD pipeline is essential. Automated testing isn't optional, it's a must-have. For unit testing, Jest is a fantastic choice. It's fast, reliable, and works seamlessly with Next.js. For end-to-end testing, Cypress provides a user-friendly interface and powerful tools to simulate real user interactions. Combine this with a CI/CD pipeline using GitHub Actions or Circle CI, and you've got yourself a robust testing environment that catches bugs before they hit production. Deploy on push, run tests automatically, and sleep easy knowing your code is solid. Finally, deployment. Your app is ready, but where do you host it? Versal for the front end, AWS Lightsail or AWS EC2 for Supabase. This combo gives you the flexibility to scale efficiently. Versal's integration with Git means every push to your repo automatically deploys your app. For Supabase, hosting on AWS Lightsail provides a cost-effective solution with easy scalability. It's like having the reliability of AWS with the simplicity of a VPS. This setup allows your application to grow with your user base without the headaches of managing servers or infrastructure. It's 2024. Let the cloud do the heavy lifting. And there you have it. That's how I'd build a SaaS application in 2024 if I could start over. With the right stack, a solid architecture, and a focus on security and scalability, you can build something truly amazing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the world of modern web development. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll catch you in the next one.